I'm Anton from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to have a look at our range of solar shields. Solar shields are designed to fit under your tank screen and prevent sunlight from entering through your tank inlet. The prevention of light ingress is an important step to stop algae growing in your rainwater tank. This ensures you capture and store the best quality water possible. You can see here we've placed the camera inside the tank to show you how much sunlight normally enters through a tank screen. Now with the solar shield installed, you can see how much of the sunlight is blocked out. Our range of solar shields has been engineered to provide minimal restriction of the flow of water entering your rainwater tank. The clever design also calms the flow of water as it disperses the water across the surface of the solar shield, creating an effect much like a shower head. This shower head style design means that water is dispersed more evenly into your tank. This is beneficial because it creates less disturbance of the water in the tank, which then prevents the resuspension of solids which might have settled on the base. This means that the water in the main column of the tank remains cleaner. In this footage, we're representing what happens inside a rainwater tank during a rainfall event, with and without a solar shield. On the side where we're not using a solar shield, you can see the disturbance of that sediment layer. Over the course of a few days, this typically settles back to the bottom. However, it does mean that for the first few days after a rain event, the water might be coloured or turbid. On the side where there is a solar shield installed, you can see the water is being more evenly distributed. This reduces the amount of turbulence in the body of water, and the sediment layer is largely unaffected. This is important in maintaining consistent water quality. Our range of solar shields are available in a variety of sizes to fit our tank screens, and are designed to suit most tanks, regardless of their shape and material. You can see it installed here on a poly tank, and here you can see it mounted on a metal tank. Our solar shields have two main ranges. One which is designed to fit our tank screens, which are screwed onto the tank, and another which is compatible with our easy fit clip-on system. The clip-on system allows for a quick, tool-free installation and removal of the screen. The inlet ring forms the foundation of our complete range of tool-free tank inlet components. We have another video which gives you the full rundown on how the easy fit clip-on system works. If you'd like to learn more about our solar shields or our full range of tank inlet solutions, just jump onto the website and you'll be able to find out some more information there.